I am the Girl Gardener and this is my cottage garden. I don't live in a cottage, it's just a cottage garden and it's 6 years in the making. Right, the most important job for today above everything else, above seed sowing, is this, replacing 2 panels on my greenhouse. I've left it long enough. We've had wind, we've had rain, we've had everything, and today is a really nice, so far still sunny day, so I need to get those 2 panels replaced on my greenhouse because I need to move a bunch of plants into there. I currently have a lot of plants indoors in my living room. They're on my indoor setup, which you've seen before. They don't need to be in there. So I've got sweet peas, I've got coriander, salads, I have onions and brassicas, none of which need to be inside. They need to be outside in the greenhouse, and I can't sow any more seeds, of course, because I have no more room. So this is the job I need to get done right now. Just want to bring you in a little bit closer. So one panel was replaced already there, but that one's blown out, and I've just got it down here, which means I actually have 3 panels, and this one needs replacing as well. So it'll be 1, this one here 2, and this one here 3. And the thing is, I did actually silicone the panels in, and I guess I only did that last year, maybe the year before. Yeah, and it's kind of ripped it all up, but you can see the clips are still in there, so I need to remove the clips, give it a bit of a clean. I need to clean the guttering out as well, and also get this one replaced. These are the polycarbonate sheets that I actually use. They come with this film on them, and it tells you to expose one side to the sunlight. You just peel that off, and all I need to do is cut them to size. They are, I think, 4 or 5 millimeters thick, so they're not the thickest and they're not the strongest by any means. However, they were the most affordable ones. Anything thicker than that was costing hundreds of pounds to buy these panels, so I had to just think of our pockets as well. And we bought a whole box of them from eBay. What I'll do is I'll try and screenshot a picture of what we ordered and put it on there, hopefully, if I remember. And we bought them in 2020. It's now 2026 and I'm on the last few panels, so they've done really, really good. But yeah, I'm going to get to replacing those now. The easiest way to measure out these panels is to just simply use the existing one that was already in the greenhouse roof and just measure it against the new sheets. Width-wise, it's a perfect size. It's just the length that needs cutting down, and it's easy to just cut them with a pair of scissors. these are straw flowers that I sowed not long ago. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick it up. Just see, they are starting to germinate. Got some here. Yep. And I grew these for the first time last year after seeing them in Pauline's garden. She invited me up to her garden, along with like some other gardeners and stuff. Not on this app, she's on the other app. And I saw them there and I was like, oh my god, I have to grow these. So this is my second year growing them. And these have just now been delivered. They've just come in the post. I ordered them over a week ago, actually, probably a couple of weeks ago now, because I really want to try and grow some really hot chilies, because all of the ones that we grow, the padron peppers do have are chili, but in terms of ones that you put in the cooking, the curry peppers that I've got just aren't as hot. So I've ordered some of these bird's eye chili seeds. They're meant to be really, really chili. I've ordered Carolina Reaper, which is super hot. Here, I've ordered some Naga chili and habanero. So I've ordered these 4, and what I will do is, just like all of my other seeds, I will pre-sprout these before planting them up. Hopefully they'll catch up to the other ones that I've sown and grown, but yeah, we'll see how these go. After a few days, it's been a good few days now since I've moved everything into the greenhouse, and I have to say, everything is looking so much better. Everything's kind of perked up. It was looking a little bit sad. You can see the brassicas, they look so good here. And that's the purple sprouting at the back, some kohlrabi, and also the straw flowers have grown. So honestly, there are these plants that really do benefit from just not being inside a warm living room. Sweet peas are doing great as well. And then I've also sown all of my sunflower seeds for the year. So I'll obviously keep you updated on how that goes. But yeah, that's all I've got time for this week, and I shall see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.